How to enable interactive widgets in iOS 18.1. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and customize these widgets step by step. Let's get started. First, open Settings and go to General. Tap on the Software Update. Check for the updates. Update to iOS 18.1 if you haven't already. Go back to Home Screen and long press anywhere on the home screen. Wait for the apps to start jiggling. Then tap the Edit icon in the top left corner. Now, scroll through the widget library to find apps that support interactive widget, like reminders, music, or notes. Tap on the app widget you want to add. Tap Add Widget, then drag it to your desired position on the home screen. Long press the widget and select Edit Widget. Adjust settings like linked accounts or specific content preferences, and also adjust the size of the widget to fit it perfectly. Swipe through the available sizes, small, medium, or large, and select the one that fits your layout. Drag widgets around to optimize your screen layout. Remove widgets by long pressing and tapping Remove Widget. Explore how these widgets make everyday tasks quicker and more seamless without opening full apps. And that's how you enable interactive widgets in iOS 18.1. Try them out and see how they can simplify your iPhone experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more iOS tips and tricks. See you next time.